Lost your cable again? Or just buried under the clutter? Say goodbye to cable chaos and stay organized in seconds. Westhype offers the Sharge Retractable, the pull-out to use, retract to store cable charger. The key features are transparent design of the adapter housing. With the built-in retractable, you can easily pull, load, and store your cable charger. The GN technology offers 65 watts power fast charging in a compact size. Universal plug adapters for worldwide travel are included. There is an additional USB-C port for additional simultaneous charging. From tangled to tidy in one smooth roll. Check out westhype.com